Hello guys. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to download, install, and connect OBS with your Twitch account. So, let's get started. First, you go to obsproject.com. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows button, otherwise you can choose what system you are using. Now just wait for the file to download, then just open it and install. Let's go to twitch.tv. If you don't have account on Twitch, you need to create it. Click on the arrow next to your account name, and open Video Producer tab. On the left side of the screen, click the channel and copy primary stream key. Now let's open OBS that we installed earlier. Go to Settings and then Stream. Paste your primary stream key, then click Apply and OK. And there you go, your Twitch account is now connected with OBS. Let's test it out. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Click that like button and subscribe to my channel.